Okay guys, it's Train Spotter HD and welcome back. And today I'm at Cheltenham Spa, which is situated on the terminus point of the Great Western Mainline, where you'll be seeing services from Crosscountry, Great Western Railway and Transport for Wales. You might only see the one Transport for Wales in this video. I'm going to be here for about 2 hours, so should be made for a good long video here at Cheltenham Spa. As you can see in front of me, we got the Glasgow Central train. This is a train I got off to get to here, with a number 221128 on the train. He's not due to leave for about another 6 minutes or so. Not sure why it waits here for about 8 minutes. No idea on that, but I'm here at Cheltenham Spa, guys. Different location. I will be going to Gloucester as well to do a video there at Gloucester. So, and I was born at Gloucestershire, so obviously I know the place very well. I know Cheltenham quite well as well. So, I've been down this way for a good 10 years or so. So, obviously it's changed since the last time I was here. So, I'm hoping to do a station tour of Cheltenham Spa as well, and a station tour of Gloucester as well. So, I'm hoping to see a freight come through here as well, guys. That'll be much later on in the video. So, we'll come back in a few seconds once this train goes out. The Crosscountry service coming in, guys. Going to Cardiff Central from Nottingham. 117 on the train. That will due to go in about 3 minutes. Probably won't see it go out. So see this cross-country service to Glasgow Central go out. So you'll be seeing a lot of services here from cross-country mainly. Like I said, you'll see the one service from Transport for Wales, and you might see a few of the trains from Great Western Railway as well, but in a way it's mainly cross-country. So I'll come back in a few seconds once these trains depart. Right guys, we're back. Got the cross-country service over on platform over on platform 1. Our central train now leaving. You can just about see that. We'll keep the camera rolling, so we've got this Glasgow Central train should depart in a minute as well. So it should be made for a good video here, guys. Completely different station. First time me actually recording at Cheltenham Spa, so I want to get to stations I haven't been to before. So I actually been to Cheltenham Spa a few times, but obviously not to video. Parting on time as well. Okay then guys, I think we'll go over to the other side because it's a better view for trains coming in from that way. So we'll come back in a few minutes with some more trains. Okay guys, we're back. Coming in now is a terminating service from Swindon. Number 165129 on the train. I think that will form a service. Trying to think, that might form a service back to somewhere, but I'm not sure where, unless it will go up to the sidings just down from the station from here. One of the two. I'm not sure why, but it's come from Swindon. I know that anyway. So we got a train due on the opposite side. It will be going to Bristol Temple Meads. I think it might be a cross-country service, so we'll come back in a couple minutes with some more trains. Okay guys, we're back. Looks like we got this 165 Great Western Railway turbo now leaving. Looks like he is going to go down to the yeah, looks like he is going down to the sidings. Might come back for a service later.
Crosscountry service to Bristol Tackle-Meads, calling at Bristol Parkway and Bristol Tackle-Meads. This train has 4 coaches. An at-seat service of light refreshments is available on the
So yeah, like I said guys, I'm going to try and do a station tour here, but it may be hard because as you can see there is a few people here waiting now, so but I'll try and do it. Also I'll do the tour videos on a separate video, so yeah.
Cross-country service to
Sorry about that guys, press the button twice to pause the video again. We got a cross-country service now coming in, going to Bristol Cheltenham from Manchester Piccadilly. 220-022 on the train. Yeah, he should depart, well, it should depart now actually because it's more just on time. So we'll see it go out very shortly. Okay guys, about to depart now is a cross-country service Bristol Cheltenham, departing on time. All trains so far from here have been on time, which is good. Okay then guys, we'll come back in a few minutes with, well, you guessed it, there's not much else to say, is there? Some more trains. Okay guys, coming in now is a terminating service from Cardiff Central. We're on a 524242 at the front. And the 153 at the back. That's a Transport for Wales one. So not sure, this one's terminating there like I said, but I'm not sure where it's going. I don't know if this will go down in signs as well, unless it will form a service back to somewhere. I'm not sure where, but you do get a few trains terminating here. Yeah, so we'll come back in a few more minutes with some more trains. So yeah, this should be quite a long video here at Cheltenham Spa, guys. You'd be surprised how busy Cheltenham Spa gets. So even though it's only a 2-platform station, it does get busy. So yeah. Hey guys, about to part now is a terminating service from Cardiff Central. Looks like he might be going up to the sidings as well. Might come back for a service later. 150 at the front and a 153 at the back. Okay, well, I think the next train on this video, guys, will be a service to Brighton. He's about 2 minutes late at the moment. But yeah, that should be the next train on this video. So we'll come back now. Okay, guys, we're back. Coming in is a Great Western Railway service to Brighton. Actually, we are seeing a few Great Western Railway services, guys. I didn't think we would. Actually, I thought we was mainly would have seen more Crosscountry service. 158954 on the Great Western Railway. Crosscountry service coming in. Manchester Piccadilly 221141 on the train. That's probably come from like Plymouth or Penzance. I might as well stand here and see both of these trains go out, the Brighton one and the this one here. So yeah. Okay guys, we're back. Looks like we got the Great Western Railway service to Brighton now departing. This one's going via Bristol Temple Meads. So 158954 on the train. Okay, as we turn right now then, we got the Manchester Piccadilly train back to depart. Not many people went on that train. I was surprised. I thought they might be waiting for the Manchester train. They might probably waiting for the Worcester Foregate Street train then. That's due in about 6 minutes time. So yeah, it should be quite a long video, guys. I would say probably 30 to 40 minutes long, probably. See a lot of people here at Cheltenham Spa, so there's probably no chance of me doing a tour video. I wanted to though, add that to my collection, but it's going to be quite hard to do that. Okay then guys, we'll come back in a few more minutes with, you guessed it, some more trains. Okay guys, we're back. We got the return of the 153 353 and the 150 at the back. Is a Transport for Wales service. It's going back to Cardiff Central. I thought it might have gone back to Cardiff Central. What's unique is that the trains stop all the way down there. I mean, I don't know why they do that actually. I thought they might have come a bit more further up, but the smaller trains stop all the way down there. So I don't know why they do that, but oh well, nonetheless. That's due to go in about a minute or two. And we got a train on this side coming in soon, going to Worcester Foregate Street. I think this train will have 3 coaches. It's coming in now. I think this is the first Great Western as well. (166) 209 on the train. Departing now is the Transport for Wales service to Cardiff Central. Departing on time. So of course the 153's down my way now, guys. I don't get now because they got rid of them. Oh, probably about 2 years ago, I think, maybe a year or 2 ago. You still get the 153's down here, then that's good. I don't mind the 153's in a way. They're useful little trains. So yeah. Turn around here. We've got the Worcester Foregate Street train. She should depart in a few seconds now. 166 209 on the train. This one actually I forgot to mention is in the old first Great Western livery. Should get a bit of a closer. There you go. See it? It's in the blue livery. About to come back, but it is about to leave now. Normally I would have time to go all the way down the other end and see the train go out from the front view, guys, but obviously the train's that side here, you know. Like I said, guys, you'd be surprised how busy Cheltenham Spar gets for only a two platform station. So okay then, guys, we'll come back in a few more minutes with, well, you guessed it, some more trains. Okay guys, coming in now is a cross-country service to Nottingham from Cardiff Central. One of the turbo cross-country, 170,398. I want to see this go out, but should have a cross-country service to Plymouth coming in shortly as well. Within the next 3 to 4 minutes. It's actually running late. We would have seen that go out if it wasn't for this Plymouth train being late, but there you go, guys. So we probably won't see this turbo go out, so I'll come back in a few seconds with some more trains. 170 departing there now, guys. We got the delayed cross-country service to Plymouth now coming in. This is for the 9 coaches. 221, 135 at the front. Not sure this can fit all on the platform. Maybe it would too. Looks like it can. 220 at the back. So let's go down here and see it go out. Okay guys, we're back. Departing now is the delayed cross-country service to Plymouth. He's delayed by about 9 minutes. For a 9 coach train, to be late is quite extraordinary. As far as I can go to record this, guys, as you can see there. There's the 220,002 trailing. I think halfway through that 221 at the front, it looked really filthy from the side. Okay then, guys, we'll come back in a few more minutes with some more trains. Okay guys, as you can see, we've got the return of the 165 129 turbo Great Western Railway service to Swindon. So it is delayed by about 5 minutes due to the Plymouth train, actually, to be honest, that just left. Should have a IET service terminating from London Paddington within the next 15 minutes. Can't be a turbo, guys. We don't get these turbos down my way in Exeter, although they are trying to test run them down my way. I thought the other day I would have seen the turbo go to Paynton, but he decided to change the trains at bloody Exeter, and he replaced it with a bloody pacer. So, yeah. Okay then, guys, we'll come back in a few more minutes with, well, you guessed it, some more trains. Hey guys, coming in now is a cross-country service to Aberdeen. So when all these voyagers have come down my way. 221 123 on the train. This train's probably not due to leave for about another 4 to 5 minutes, I think. So he's early, but we'll see it go out very shortly. Hey guys, coming in now is a cross-country service to Cardiff Central from Cheltenham, phone number 170 turbo, 170 114. Come back in a few seconds once these trains depart. Okay guys, we're back. Got the Cardiff Central train back to depart, and looks like we got the Aberdeen train back to depart. Both of them departing on time. As you can see, it's just started to bloody rain. Oh, the joy. Gotta say guys, a cracking view from down there, seeing the trains come down that way and coming from that way from down there. I wish I could zoom into it, but the phone I'm using at the moment, guys, doesn't have a zoom effect. My other phone does. But I'm using my newer phone for this video. Okay then guys, we'll come back in a few more minutes with some more. Okay guys, we're back. Got a terminating service from London Paddington now coming in. This is different obviously now. We've seen an IET now. A02 108 on the train. Looks like it's a 9-coach one. And this will go down to the sidings and come back for a service back to London Paddington at 1 o'clock. Hey guys, got the IET now leaving. This will go down to the side. It's just down there. Hence why it's going out slowly. We'll just turn the camera around now and see it go in. And he'll come back for a service to London Paddington at 1 o'clock. I am dying for the toilet, guys, and the toilets on this station are not in use. Just so goddamn typical. Okay guys, cross-country service coming in, going to Bristol Meads. Okay guys, we're back. Let's park there. It's the cross-country service Bristol Meads. This was delayed by about 14 minutes. Not sure why though. The number 220007 on the train. Should have another cross-country service coming in on the opposite side, going to Manchester Piccadilly. He's about 2 minutes late at the moment, so yeah, we'll come back soon with that train. Coming in now is a cross-country service Manchester Piccadilly. He's more or less on time, but when he leaves he'll be about a minute or two, but that doesn't really matter. So it's for the 4 coaches as well, so it'll be a 220 I'm guessing. Yep, 220013 on the train. Well, I think we can see that guy from the front view, so we'll come back soon. Right, so the partner is the cross-country service from Manchester Piccadilly. I'm assuming this is probably from Paignton. And ironically, we will have a cross-country service to Paignton coming in on this platform within the next 7 to 8 minutes. So, yeah. Don't know if you can see in the far distance on my video guys, that IET down the depth sidings there. He'll come back soon. He's actually going to come back within the next 15 minutes for a service to London Paddington. So yeah, we'll come back in a few minutes with some more trains. I think the next train on this video will be another cross-country service to Paignton. Okay guys, we're back. Should have a cross-country service to Paignton now coming in. This is for another cross-country HST. As you can see, it's coming in now. I've been noticing it's only Roger that does the announcements here at Cheltenham Spa. So what number would it be? 43207 at the front. And we'll see her go out very shortly. Oh, and that freight train is not too far away either. So yeah, come back soon guys. Got the Nottingham train coming in. Have a cross-country service. 170 101 on that train. Come back in a few seconds once this goes away. Okay guys, back part there is a cross-country service to Paignton. One of the cross-country HST. I didn't expect that. That's a bit of a surprise. I thought it might have been a Voyager But this is actually a Crosscountry HST today, so he's good. And the 43-357 at the back. Now it's departed a bit late now. It's departed about 3 minutes late. It doesn't really matter on that either, does it? Okay, and that 170 just left. Didn't think I'll see that guy. I wanted to see the HST guy. So the next trains on these video, guys, will be that return of that IET service that will go back to London Panton. That should come in within the next few seconds now, really. And then after that should be that freight train that I came down to see. The freight train will be carrying a load of 1,800 tons, and that's just going past Bristol Parkway. So that will. So yeah, we'll come back soon with those trains. Quickly back, guys, like I predicted, coming in now to make sure it leaves on time. So return of that IET. So we'll see her go out very shortly, so we'll come back then. Okay, back partner, it's the Great Western Mainline service to London Paddington. Departing on time. As you would expect, it came from the sidings just down from Cheltenham from here. Okay guys, well, the last train I'm going to get on this video before moving to Gloucester will be a freight train here coming through, and he's going, he's terminating just past Bristol Parkway. He will be, so yeah, we'll come back soon with that train. Okay guys, about to come through now is a freight train, carrying a load of 1,800 tons. .702 on the locomotive, a GBR F1, that's good. Looks like it's carrying oil, is this, probably? And as that freight train comes through, goes through, I was trying to say, I'll leave it here at Cheltenham Spa. So thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Great, appreciate it as always. Glad I gave to Cheltenham Spa now. I would say nice little variety of trains here, from the turbo cross-country trains 170s to the smaller Great Western Railway trains we saw in between the was it the 165, the 166 and the 158, and to that IET as well towards the end of the video. So yeah, and obviously the main star of the show will obviously have to be the cross-country voyages you get here. Quite a lot you do. So, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video here at Cheltenham Spa, guys. My next video now will be at Gloucester, which I'm waiting for my train now to get to Gloucester. So, yeah. So yeah, until next time from me here at Cheltenham Spa, I'll see you all soon, guys. Take care.